This is going to be a simultaneous equation. We're going to be taking this one as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Oh, hello guys. Today we're going to be doing ACT or algebra, and in this question, practice test 2021/2022, question 16, the question says if 2x plus 3y equals to 12 and x minus y is equals to 4, what is the value of x and y? So what are we going to do here? Please hit the like and subscribe button before we continue. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of my videos. So the first thing we're going to do now is to pick out the equations in the question, which is this equation 1 and this guy, equation 2. We're going to be using substitution method. In substitution method, we're going to be making one of the variables subject of the formula in one of the equations, and then substituting the third equation we have made by making one of the variables subject of the formula into the next equation. So what do I mean by that? Let's pick out an equation. I'm picking this one because of this variable seems to be standing alone with just one coefficient. So let's make x subject of the formula. If you make x subject of this formula, we're going to be having x is equals to 4. This minus y goes over to this side, making it plus y, and that's what we're going to be having. So first of all, we now know that x is equals to 4 plus y, right? So this is our equation 3. We're now going to substitute our equation 3 now into equation 1. Since we used equation 2 to get equation 3, so we're going to substitute it into 1, not 2, because of 2 we've already used 2 to get 3. You understand? So we're going to use it and substitute into the one we have not used, and we know that x is already equals to 4 plus y stated by equation 3. So we now substitute that. Anywhere we see x, we're going to replace that x with 4 plus y. Anywhere we see x, we're going to replace with 4 plus y. We're going to have 2 bracket 4 plus y plus 3y is equals to 112. Now you can observe now that there's no more x in the equation. So now we're going to find, all we need to do is just to find a way to simplify it until we have y, the value for y, right? So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2y plus 3y is equals to 12. 8 plus 2y plus 3y, that is going to give us 5y is equals to 12. 5y is equals to 12. When 8 goes over to this side, we're going to be having minus 8. So if that's the case, 5y is equals to 12 minus 8 is going to be 4. So we're going to divide the 5 by both sides, and then we are left with y is equals to 4 all over 5. So I found y, and now we're going to find x. From our third equation, we knew previously that x is equals to 4 plus y, right? And now we know that we know that y is now equals to 4 over 5. So we'll just substitute that here. 4 plus 4 all over 5 in order to get x. So we're just going to use a crossing method of adding fractions. 4 times 5. This method, you multiply this guy by times this guy times this guy, cross each other, and then we're now going to multiply the denominator. So 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1 times 4 is 4 all over 1 times 5 is 5. So 20 plus 4 is 24 all over 5. So that's our answer. X is now equals to 24 all over 5. In order to simplify it more, if we want, 5 can go into 20, and if 5 goes into 20, we're going to be having 4. So that's going to be 4 whole number, remaining 4 all over 5. So 4 whole number, 4 all over 5. That is what x is actually. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and put a comment in the comment section. If you have a question, also include that in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.